video we are going to learn how to use the device memory profiler in a Unity application. So here I have a Unity application. I have attached the device memory profiler to clicking on the sphere. So if I click on it, I see the device memory profiler at the top. I click on the check button. It will show me all the Unity objects that it currently has in the system. It has about 10.36 megabytes of memory at this time, and 3040 objects. So 10.36 megabytes. It's showing them in 304 pages with 10 objects in one page. You can also change these number of objects in a page to a different number, like 25, 50, 100, or back to 10. And somehow it increased an extra texture, and the total memory increased, total number of objects increased. We can also, right now the objects are sorted by size, and we can either sort them in the ascending order of size, or we can sort them by name. We can scroll through all the pages, or we can just type in a page number. It will directly take us to that page. Okay, we can also list any subclasses of Unity objects, such as texture, which are taking majority of the total space, or we can list renderer, or a component, mono behavior, mesh, or material, shader, and we can also list any classes that we have written. Let's say we can either list them as under Unity engine.mono behavior, or we can save as directly here. So that's how we can use the device memory profiler. Thank you.